This is an emergency action notification. This is not a test. The authorities have reported that these coronavirus are very dangerous. Please do not touch your face, touch your mouth, touch your nose, as a consider you could get disease from the coronavirus. This is not a test. All radios and televisions has interrupted during this alert system. This is not a test. See instructions below. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Your government, thanks for your participation. And it is now concluded of the emergency alert system.